Organizations led by the Center for Environment, Justice and Development, SIGNET, and Henrik Boyle Foundation, Nairobi, have urged African leaders to unite in demanding for decisive action to reduce production of plastics and eliminate hazardous chemicals in plastics throughout their life cycle. Figures indicate globally, plastic production has more than doubled in the last 15 years, with global output reaching 400 million tons annually. Less than 10% of this plastic is recycled, leaving waste to accumulate in ecosystems, harming biodiversity and burdening marine and terrestrial environments. Plastic pollution is not just an environmental issue, but also a climate, health and social justice crisis. The CSOs emphasizing on the need for a global solution for plastic pollution.
A person who manufactures, imports, exports, uses, sells and offers for sale or possesses plastic carrier bag without license commits an offence and shall on conviction be liable to penalty set out in section 144 of BAMBA.
We cannot close our ears or our eyes to the reality that there is tripling of plastic production, so that by the 2050 or 2030 there will be more plastics if we don't take action now. So that has to be a conversation that has to be emphasized.
As civil society organizations, we are calling for a reduction in plastic production. We also want clear targets on the reduction. We need to quantify in terms of time and in terms of numbers. How much are we going to reduce, and that needs to come out explicitly.
The things that we are facing, like problems of respiratory system, unapatanga ukihave kupumua, unashindangwa kupumua, ile burns ikiban pale dam site. So for the single-use plastic, mi naweza sema wa stop producing if they don't have the market.
The government to take lead in the reduction of plastic pollution and focus on fighting the non-recyclable plastics to make sure that the value chain of the recyclables is sustainable because most people talk about waste pickers without specifying the kind of plastic they are talking about. So if you don't have single-use plastics and we have recyclable plastics, it means when recyclables are in use, there will be no more pollution in our communities.